Hi guys, you're watching Cardz TV, and it's time for the September Cardz TV card kit, and this one's called Fall Fun, and I've got it right here inside this purple envelope. So I'm going to open it up and show you everything you get in this kit. You're going to get some beautiful 8.5 by 11 sheets of cardstock. We've got cinnamon, orange, craft, and this beautiful olive. You'll be getting 12 sheets of 6 by 6 papers, and these are so pretty and so cute. I love this one. And we've got some trees. That one's really pretty. I love the fall colors. The leaves, acorns. Here's a cute little paper with turkeys. He was upside down for a minute there. We've got some orange and white polka dots. These are trying to stick together on me here. This one's really pretty, with that green background and the pretty leaves and flowers for fall. This one's really cute. Pumpkins and leaves. Then we've got this one in the pretty mustard yellow, 2 tones with the leaves. We've got a plaid and another yellow. So that's your 12 sheets of papers. You're going to get 2 embossing folders in this kit. These are both from Cardz, and this one's called Autumn, and I'll show you the back so you can see it better. But it's all these beautiful fall leaves that you can emboss on your paper, make it really pretty. And this one's called Hello Fall, and it's got all these fall words: pumpkin patch, autumn, happy fall, y'all, cozy, give, thanks, pumpkin spice. Just 2 really pretty embossing folders. You're going to get a sheet of these beautiful vellum sunflowers. And this cute little set from Echo Park. This is called A Perfect Autumn, and these are enamel shapes. We've got a little bird, a pickup truck with pumpkins, several leaves on here and acorns, a little jar with some mushrooms, cute little fox, some more leaves and flowers, and here's a pumpkin with a mushroom or a toadstool and some flowers, an adorable squirrel holding an acorn, a tree, a cute bear, flower, a skunk, and a log that you can sit one of your little animal friends on. And last but not least, the stamp set for this card kit is from Cardz TV. It's called Mini Messages, and this set covers everything, guys. It's got things for birthday, anniversary. Well, I'll just read them to you. Happy birthday, happy anniversary, happy new year, congratulations, happy Valentine's Day, God bless you, I love you, happy St. Patrick's Day, happy Easter, thank you, congrats, welcome baby, happy wedding day, happy 4th of July, Merry Christmas, happy holidays, warmest wishes, happy Thanksgiving, thanks so much, oh baby, good luck, with sympathy, happy Halloween, thinking of you, happy Mother's Day, so thankful, it's your day, and happy Father's Day. So you can see this set will be great to use all year long, but there's several on here that you could use for a fall birthday, and of course Halloween and Thanksgiving and thank you, all of those. This kit is just chocked full of beautiful things for making your fall cards, guys. So if you're interested in picking this one up, it's $29.95, which includes your shipping and handling, and it's very limited. So if you want to check this out and pick this up, hop on over to cardztvstamps.blogspot.com and get yours before it sells out. Thanks so much for coming by today, guys. I hope you're having an awesome day, and I will see you again soon. Bye now.